Good afternoon, present over here. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, so less noise.
So much.
Can I hear some more noise, please? All of you, very good afternoon. That's great. I'm very happy to see you all here. And I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of Converse 2019 once again. I would like to welcome each one of you wholeheartedly to this beautiful day. And yes, really, I'm very much honored to be on this stage. This is MC Pratibha Gowda. So, here now, as you all know, we have a book launch of this beautiful day. So, future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, they say. So, here we are all today to see the book launch, which is the dreams of many of you, which is been printed inside that. So, are you all excited?
Yes.
Wow, very much excited. Okay, before we launch this precious, before we go to the precious part, so let us have some activity. So let me consider these two rows as A team. Let me consider these two rows as B team. Yes? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Let me see who is the strongest now. So, only A team members. Okay? Guys, ready? Yes. Now, I request all of you to make some noise. Come on! Wow, okay. So now I'll see if A is the strongest or B is the strongest. Yeah, sir? You're saying around say of course, yeah. No, I want all of you to be more strongest, okay? So now, only B team. Make some noise! Alright, come on! You can't give up like this because today we are all here to unlock your potential. So I want all of your potential to be as top as possible. Okay? At the last time we are checking. So only 18. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go make some noise. Wow, man, that's awesome. And here we go. Beat him, make some noise. Not bad. Okay, now we are all together, right, in the conference Converse 2019. So we are all united here to learn something very important. So now let us all make noise together. Yes, thank you so much to each one of you. Thank you so much once again. So now let us go to the main part of this beautiful day. As you all know, it's time to launch the book. So I would like to welcome firstly Ashish Echkal sir, the guest speaker of this beautiful day with a huge round of applause. Can I request a huge round of applause to Ashish sir? Yes, please, sir. And also, I would like to welcome Mr. Dean sir on the stage with a great pride. A huge round of applause to Mr. Dean sir. So once again, I would like to welcome Mr. Dean sir on the stage. Thank you so much. And yes, now I would like to welcome Mr. Rajendran sir on the stage. A huge round of applause to Mr. Rajendran sir. So yes, of course, how can we forget Mr. Vinod sir. A huge round of applause to Mr. Vinod sir. So I can see more success and more number of people than last year. So congratulations to you sir, first of all. So once again, I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of our dignitaries. So, are you all ready?
Yes.
For what? Yeah. So yes, now it's time to launch a precious book. I would like to request to please bring it on stage. So okay, before that, okay, so Rajendran sir is about to come. Before that, can I request the people who have right hand, can you please lift it? Only the people who have right hand. Yes, beautiful. What about the left hand? Oh, many of them don't have actually. I'm sorry for that. What about both the hands? Arey yaar, you have two hands and how can you sit simply? Come on, put your hands together loudly. Please, your day. And yes, welcome you sir. Welcome to Rajendran sir. much to all of you who are on the stage. So now it's time to launch our book in front of all of you. It's really very much honored to launch the precious book in front of all of you. And yes, I would like to request to please get it on the stage. Okay, so are you all enjoying our conference? Yes? What and all you did, what and all you learned, I don't know because many of our professors are here. Last year also I was in the Converge. I learned something, but I remember Dean sir very well. Yeah. Of course, I can't forget Vinod sir because he is the one. He's the main reason for me to come here. And yes, here we have our precious books, informative books of Converge 2019. So yes, last year also we had launched a product. So now this year we are launching the book on behalf of Converge 2019. Anyone can learn more. Here we go with the most awaited book which you're all waiting for. Anyone can learn market profile. The most awaited book to all of us. So in front of all of you, this precious book has been launched. So thank you so much to Converge 2019 members for launching this book. Last year, we had launched a product which helps to the stock market. So now it's time to hear some words from our dignitaries. I would like to request Ashish sir to address the gathering.
Hi everyone. Great to see so many of you here. I'll be talking on Monday. I cannot talk about the book because I don't know what's inside. But looking at the presentation that Dean did since morning, and it looks to be very, very interesting. The entire concept looks very interesting. And I'm sure each one of you is going to go back, look at it, start thinking over and start applying it from Monday onwards. How many of you are going to do that from Monday onwards? Please, because what happens a lot of time in my trainings when I talk about neo wave time cycles, people are all enthusiastic for their 2 days, but once they go back, after a week, after 2 weeks, they all forget about it, and then slowly and steadily the old pattern starts catching up. It happens to a lot of us, right? The only way to keep it alive is to keep doing it daily, day in and day out, and keep bothering the mentors every now and then only you will learn. That's what I think is the best way to utilize it. Keep bothering us, keep asking questions, keep coming back to Vinod, and we will ensure that we answer each of one of your questions. And the most interesting aspect is going to be you will be learning about market profile, you will be learning about order flow, and you will be learning about neo wave. I'm not sure how many of you are aware about those concepts, but we will be talking about all of these advanced concepts, and it can make a huge difference in your lifestyle. Why lifestyle? Because if you earn money, your lifestyle will change, right? So it's going to make a huge difference in your lifestyle, your trading pattern, your old habits will go away, a lot of things will change from next week. Let's ensure that happens. And great congratulations to Dean to launch such an excellent book. And I'm sure each one of you will read it and come back with questions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashish sir. Thank you so much. And now I would like to request Mr. Vinod sir to address the gathering.
So it's all the stage all set, and finally now we have a book by Mr. Dean, which was a long due. I think he has spent a lot of time and energy in bringing out this book. I still remember where we used to interact, and this was his, dream, or I would rather say a dream come true for any mentor like Dean, who has got immense knowledge. And very many a times I came across people asking me, sir, are there any books we can refer? Yes, you do have books to refer, but the problem is in the Indian context, we don't find any much books for the reference. And it was a high time that there has to be a book on market profile, and in the context of Indian market, which again add some value to our trading community. And you know that as Converge, we always believe in delivering or sharing the knowledge, and in that ratio, we thought the book is something that we all would love to go through right from our childhood days, and how can we miss when it comes to our trading career. So that question has been answered through this book launch, and I'm very happy for Mr. Dean, and congratulations, Dean. Finally, you made it, and we're all happy for you. And I hope you should give us more such books, more insight, and I hope people would definitely love reading this and learning more about the market profile and the concepts. Thank you very much, for giving this opportunity in the event, and thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time to hear some words from the author of the book, Mr. Dean, sir. So, especially what is inside the book?
Well, some words are there, obviously. Charts are there, market profile charts, lots of them. See, I cannot take full credit of this book because, as I said, Vinod said that he has been pestering me to write a book for longest of times, and we are not. I'm not from the family of authors who, I don't have any experience in this field. So to write a book was a big challenge for me. And if he had not been pushing me for it, I don't think I would have been able to come up with a book in time, basically. That is more important. And you can write a book for 5 years and then print it, but to get it in time was the real challenge. I'm happy that we could do that. I don't know, nobody has told you, but I think I'll be giving you, each and every one of you, one copy today. Our objective has always been to, spread the knowledge of this advanced concepts that, sometimes they just remain with people with means. Like this all started in America, and then European markets, they have the experts, but in India also we have experts. Like all of them, most of them are standing on the stage with me. So, to bring out a book or to bring out such events, it helps us make those tools, those techniques accessible to Indian public, right? And this book is an attempt to bring that knowledge in Indian context so that you don't have to all the time keep converting from what the US markets do and how they apply to Indian markets. This book will do it for you. I have taken that effort and pains along with Vinod to bring this to you. So I hope you like it, and if you like it, please leave a good review for me. That's all I can ask. Your question? Signed copies, because of this heavy monsoon, I did not open this plastic cover. I actually signed a lot of copies. Don't make me do that. I am giving you, everybody will receive a copy.
Give a good review, we will sign for that.
I give a good review, I will sign for that. Not a problem. Okay. Yeah, so I think get on with the presentation. Yeah, anything has to say something.
I would say that writing a book is not an easiest thing. Right? So a lot of commendable work has been spent in terms of hours, in terms of energy, would have been spent towards this book. And moreover, how we practiced market profile is that we try to apply it in US market, whether it is working, whether Jim Dalton what he had said is true or not, go and validate, and then come back again, trying it into Indian markets. I think this book would have solved that kind of problem. Like it pushes you faster towards what you want to achieve, rather than experimenting in other markets, whether it's working in Japanese markets or Indian markets or commodities. Straight away, I guess, from Indian market. You covered any M6 here?
No,
Okay. Maybe in part 2, I guess,
Yeah.
we might be dealing with bonds, cryptos.
So they make it legal in India.
So I guess maybe right from stocks to real estate, you might expect in the next book then. I guess It's an appreciable and commendable work. And hats off to you, Dean, for bringing this. I would say that a lot of international authors are there. I went through a couple of books. Most of them are references, guides. Even some of the Indian authors attempted to do that. But again, it's developing in terms of Indian, even though it's written in kind of Indian context, maybe it's more of a guidelines. But I guess Dean would have written a true from the heart, from his experience, from his passion. I guess maybe by reading through the book, you will get to understand what he tried to convey. It's more than a book, I would say.
Every year brings something new to the India, I can say. Last year we had a Made in India product. Sir, can you please tell about it?
Yeah, superb. I think most of them would have seen those launch videos where we had launched our flagship brand, the Bell Market Profile Ultimate Scanner and Alert System. We were holding our software, content and the screenshot of it. It was looking like a book, and many people were asking, "Sir, where is that book? Where can I find it in Amazon?" I said, "Yeah, this is a software." "Oh, is it, sir?" "Sir, is it a CD?" "No, it's a software. You can download from our website." So, then, of course, we had that idea, and I had that idea from, running in my mind for quite a long time. Then I requested Dean, that why don't we start working on this? It's years of efforts, I would rather say. It's, probably, of course, we could be able to bring it in right time. And we thought that this would be, because I believe Converge is a family. And I thought it would be an ideal opportunity when we are launching a book, knowledge sharing in such a platform. So, finally it happened. And we were waiting for this day, especially I think Dean, and really thankful. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much to all the dignitaries on the stage. Thank you. And yes, it was really very much honored to launch this wonderful book in front of you all. And also, we are all happy to have you all here.